So today of all the days, I'm wearing a sari as I record this video. I make this video. So it's like, this is, of all the 1,000 videos I've put up, this is the first time I'm wearing a sari and doing a recording. So it's special. So people, there's this book called The Untethered Soul by Michael A. Singer, and I got this book from Amazon because on Instagram I saw Suzanne Khan recommend this book, saying that it is this is like a must read, Untethered Soul. Honestly, it's a bit expensive. This book is almost $1,000, but it 950 or something, and that was the last copy. Now if you check, it will be I think 1,500 or something. But the most important thing that for me I've seen, did you know, people, that energy levels are something that is related to the heart center, as in like all my life, even now, like I still believe energy is something that you can get through food and all of that. But this book speaks of the fact that if you if you basically do things that have made you really happy, even if you are dead tired, you will be able to do it, because it's like your heart center is open. I don't know, uh, I'll just say this, for me Sunday evenings are very, very supremely tough, like quite tough, because my child goes away that Sunday afternoons onwards. I start feeling very low. But after reading this book, because my kid, I'll not see him again till Friday. But when I read this book, when I've been reading this book, Untethered Soul, I've realized that maybe to keep my heart center open, like in terms of I can, when I have my little chicks with me or my rabbits, that helps me feel better. I still feel like a mommy, and I feel good. So really, people, so those of you all who are going through a low phase, just understand this, that keep your heart center open by doing something you love, or by getting yourself a little pet whom you can love, and you will automatically have a lot of energy. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.